Dad's like, what the hell's happening?
Hi, Dad. Happy anniversary.
Mom's out in the garden.
Oh, she is? Okay.
With Jennifer.
Oh, okay. Okay. I love you. Okay, we're here. We surprised Dad. Now we're going to see Mom. Oh, here she is. Okay. You go first with your cupcakes. Oh, yep, there she is.
Cupcakes!
Hey, I just made reference about Andrew's ancestors.
Happy anniversary, Grandma!
Have a drink of your drink.
Oh my God!
I love you.
I can't believe this.
I know.